This guide will help you install the Postal extension within your web browser. Today, the extension is available with Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. What you will learn is how to download the extension and how to use Postal Everywhere. First, let's talk about why you would want the Postal Everywhere extension. The extension allows you to carry out postal actions no matter where you are in your daily activity. This is from sending an item with a special link to maybe sending a personalized email after engaging with somebody on a social site. Let's begin by going to the Google Chrome store. By searching for extensions, you'll want to type in Postal. You'll see the Postal Chrome extension at the top. Go ahead and add it, and then right-click and pin. Mine is showing unpinned as I already have it pinned, but once there, you can come back to your CRM, your daily workflow, wherever you are actually executing these tasks. And the unique thing is about your contacts, once they've been synced with Postal, we'll notice a little paper airplane icon here for all of the flyers. By clicking on this, the extension will open. The extension allows you, again, to execute all of the daily activity that you would need to do within Postal, from sending a magic link or sending a specific item to even just here as I'm seeing this is my record because I'm seeing it on this page and what I'm associated with. I can see the activity history as that drops down here as well. I can also go into the settings of my account and it will pull me right back into the core Postal platform. I'm easily able to collapse this extension and pop it out for ease of use. We see some best practices using the extension actually within LinkedIn or those other social sites, allowing you to quickly open and grab maybe one of the magic links that you have built within your system already. Now that you've installed the extension, let's explore the easy access of your browser and how you can not only send items, but that you can log into your Postal instance, look at contacts from within the system of record, giving you full insight to any items that they have been sent while not leaving where you do your great work. Power users of the extension are using all forms of sending from within their workflows, but more on that in ways to send. For Microsoft Edge, be sure to show in toolbar for the extension. We'll see the extension that I have here. Please find the link in the associated help article. Once installed here, your contacts are actually also seen through the extension in real time, just like in the other browser.